Okay, guys, today we're going to start out by playing a little game on ABC Ya. I'm going to demonstrate to you this game. So you can get on to abcya.com for free, and you just hit kindergarten and then hit numbers, and it will bring up all these free games that you can play, and they're really pretty fun. So this game we're going to check out today to help us practice our estimating is called How Many Marbles? So I'm going to click on this. It's going to open up the marble game. I'm going to start it, and it's going to give me this awesome jar of marbles, okay? And so I have to estimate how many marbles are in the jar, okay? And I can tip the jar around to try and guess how many marbles there are so I can look at it better. And then when I feel like I'm ready, I'll be able to type in a number, okay? So here's our first jar of marbles, okay? So I'm going to look at this and I'm going to guess how many marbles. I'm going to guess there's not very many, so I'm going to guess just maybe 19. Now, 19 is 1 set of 10, 9 extras. Now I'm going to hit check, and it will tell me if my answer is correct or not. Oh, my number is way too high. So I could go down. I could try 17. Oh, I'm still too high. Let's try again. Oh, 15 marbles. Good guess. But it took me 3 guesses, all right? I'm going to try one more. Oh boy, lots of marbles this time. Well, last time one whole level wasn't completely full, and that was 15. This one has 2 levels, so I'm going to guess it's somewhere maybe in the 30s and maybe 33. Let's guess 33. That's my guess. So now I'm going to check it, and my number this time is too low, so it lets me guess again. So I can add some more to it. Let's say 37. Still too low. Well, maybe I should make it 45. Let's see. Too low. Boy, there's a lot more in here than I guessed. Anyway, this is a great game to play on abcya.com. It's totally free, and you can do it at home, and you can try practicing your estimating. It's going to be a lot more fun than our paper, but we're going to go ahead and try it out on our math paper, okay? So go ahead and get your math page. Today we're working on Lesson 7.8, Estimating, and it is pages 179 and 180. You're going to need a pencil and your paper. Okay, so what you're going to do on this page is you're going to look at the pictures they've given you. On the top, it's golf balls, and on the bottom, it's tees. And you're just going to make a guess. Doesn't matter if you're right or wrong. It's just like the marbles. You just make a guess. So you'll guess how many you think there are, and you write that number here. Okay? Next, after you've taken a moment to guess, so go ahead and guess how many you think there are. I'm going to give you a minute. Write down your number. Okay, now they want us to count. So this time, we're going to actually go through and count how many there are. So I'm going to make my mark on there as I count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. What was your guess? Did you guess 20? I didn't write down my guess, because if I write down my guess, that's what you guys will write too. So you should have made your own guess right there, and then we're going to count and figure out that they're actually 20, okay? Let's do the same thing with the tees, okay? So go ahead, take a guess of how many you think there are, and now let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 is the actual number. What was your guess? Was it just right? Was it too high? Was it too low? That's okay. This is just for practice. It's just kind of fun. All right, let's turn our pages over and let's do the back. Okay, so it says, look at the example, estimate, and fill in the circle. So they want me to color in the circle that has more than 10, okay? So this is what 10 looks like of these. Does this one here look like more than 10? To me, the picture's not as full, so this isn't going to be more than 10. If I look over here, this one's easily more than 10. So this is the correct answer. I need to color in that circle. Coming down to number 2, this time they want me to find a group that's less than 19. So this is what 19 looks like. You see that it has these 2 rows and 1 extra. So I need to find a group that's less than 19. Does this group here look less than 19, or does this group over here look less than 19? Well, this is pretty easy. This group is way more. That's not what I want. I want the group that's less than. So I can look at this and tell there's less in each row. That's definitely less than 19. Okay, finally, they've given me 12 golf clubs. Okay, these little clubs are 12 in this group. They want me to find a group that's less than 12. Well, again, this is pretty easy. If I look at this group, this is way more than this one. That can't be right. It's got to be this last group that has less than 12. Again, we're just practicing estimating. Feel free to get on ABC Yaw and play that marble guessing game. It's kind of fun. Good work, and I'll see you later.